Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable guests to register before they can view clips on Zoom. So this is very easy to do, and this feature is turned off by default, which means they can just simply view clips when they're inside a meeting or whatever, right? And so if you want to have them register by simply submitting their email first before they can view clips, then you'll be able to know who and have some record or some track of who is viewing certain clips. So to turn on this feature, you want to go ahead and log into your Zoom account and then click your account on the upper right or your profile, then click on settings. Under the settings section, you want to go to task on the upper right. It's the last option, I believe. Not the last, yeah, actually it's the last option in the upper right. It's clips. You click on that and scroll down a bit and you will find the option that says required to view clips. And this is for guests. It says require guests to register their email before they can view clips. It's a new feature as well, as you can see, and you can simply turn on this feature, right? And so once you have this enabled, then they will have to register the email. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.